Hey guys, it is absolutely gorgeous out here today, so I am gonna go outside for a nature walk. I'm gonna see what I can find, and I encourage you to do the same thing. Go ahead and hit pause, take a walk outside, see what kind of things you can collect, and meet me back here.
And we're back. Here I am on the porch with my items I collected from my walk, and I went ahead and organized them. That way I can just see what I found. I can see what interesting shapes, what interesting lines I have here, and I can start getting some ideas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to basically arrange these items to create an interesting picture. Now, if you don't really know where to start, I would start with just the first thing that you find the most interesting and see what it reminds you of, see what it could be. And I also suggest that you do this fresh off of picking your items, or else things will start to get a little limp and a little wilty. Alright, so clearly I have been enjoying myself. I just love arranging things because there are just endless possibilities when you make this type of art. You could make a beautiful design, you can make a picture, you can make a portrait. The possibilities are endless. So I hope that you get outside. I hope you get to enjoy the weather, and I hope you get to make some beautiful art today.